Let me tell you, my birds was lazy like a couple of days ago. I didn't know what the hell was going on with them. And it's really windy today, by the way. And I gave them, my friend Terminator makes this medicine. And so I gave him the medicine for 2 days, man. And today, these birds are just like rockets. Man, I'm talking about they're moving today, man. Really windy today. I mean, I made the video a couple of days ago where I told you guys my birds was acting weird. You know? But today, they're flying like they got it in them today. Windy and all, man. Moving. They're moving today. I'll show you guys. They're doing it all today. Let's see where they're going. Yeah, they're moving today, man. High, low. Look at these here. I was wondering what was going on with them. Acting funny on me. Put a lot of feed in yesterday. My boy Tui was over here. They were acting like really hungry. So I gave them a lot of feed. Today when I went in there, it's still early, all the feed was gone. So I guess something was about to hit them. Some virus or some shit. Who knows? But today they're back. This is the way my birds move, man. Getting a little worried, man. It's getting a little worried. Way all year long. For this time of the year. And your bird's gonna get sick on you? Come on. They're moving today, man. Moving. There they go, there they go. There you go. They're doing it all today, man. Low, high. With the wind. Look at this, man. Guess I'll give him the meds. A couple of more days. Let me tell you guys, man, Tony Terminator got the best meds ever for these birds, man. If your birds ain't breeding right, if your birds ain't acting right, call a doctor, man. Dr. Terminator. He'll fix them up for you, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. They came out. They went up today. Red Tail hit them up first. Well, they ain't lazy today, man. They're moving. Moving. Wish I could be up there. Trying to work that out. Trying to work that out. Birds is moving, man. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.